your nails, and then based on your fingernails they would send the gel stickers, which is amazing, genius. No one ever thought of it. Wow. Hello beautiful angels, how are you guys? So today we're going to do the unboxing of this beauty. So this is the Allure beauty box for the month of January 2021. So we're going to go over the unboxing of that beauty. And if you're stopping by for the first time and if you're new to this YouTube community, don't forget to smash the subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Alright, so the first thing that I see is this booklet that they gave this time around, and she looks pretty, and it has got all the products that we might have received. Also it includes all the coupon code. First beauty that I have is this one. This is how it looks. Saturday Skin Rub Dab Refining Peel Gel. Full size of this one retails for $28, and I'm assuming this is a full size item that we got. And it sweeps away dead skin cells with pineapple and contains papaya, and which has vitamins A and C to further exfoliate and brighten. Rub it in a circular motion around face. Can see some dead skin cells coming off along with the product. Sounds so damn satisfying. The next beauty that I have, and this is the beauty, and this is the L'Occitane Immortelle Divine Cream, and it has like yellow immortelles essential oil along with other botanical oils in this cream like evening primrose and sunflower, and it makes skin glow, giving the high points of face a pretty dewiness and cheeks a healthy looking rosy flush, and a little goes a long way. I always see this in their store and always want to give it a shot, but it's just that so expensive. Let me see. I think their full size price is $110. That's damn expensive. This is how it looks for like moisturizing consistency. I just want to rub that in back of my hand, and it smells delicious. I love the smell. All right, the next beauty that we have, the Beauty Corp Blush Duo Mauve Lucious. I think this is the full size or sample size, but I'm not sure. It says the price on this one is $10, and this compacts two formulas, a powder and a cream, blend out beautifully using a fluffy brush for powder and fingers for cream. So this is the cream and this is the powder blush. It's a True Plus Luscious Super Moisturizing Lipstick, and this one retails for $22. It's packed with the hydrating ingredients including the hyaluronic acid, and it has a nice dewy finish that looks great. The shade is the Vintage Rose. So this is what we are looking at. So this is the sponge that we got next. This is like a teardrop kind of sponge and not a full size. It's like a more of a fun size, so, and not very dense. It's more like a soft kind of sponge, beauty sponge, and this is a base bulb air sponge, and this one retails for $7. It's technically a sponge, of course, but this teeny teardrop feels like velvet. The pointed end is perfect for placing concealer in the teeny crevices around the eyes, and then use the other side for the foundation. Awesome. So I think these are all the products. Oh, okay, the most interesting product that I received around this month is this beauty. So this is the Mani Me Allure for your nails. It's like a gel sticker that we usually use, but these are not the actual gel stickers. You need to go onto their website, that is Mani Me, and then they gave a coupon code in here, and you could use this code and then get the $30 worth of product. And I did go onto their website and then I did order their nails. So that's a really fun. So all you have to do is use your fingernails to scan all the fingers, in fact all of your 10 fingers, and then they would ask you like if you have a coupon code, and then you could give like this coupon code. And then the one that I brought is around $25, and along with the shipping that was $3, but this is itself is a gift card of $30. So I was technically able to get that for free, not even paying for the shipment, which is amazing. It's like a box would they think about their customers, and then because each of their customers, like my nails size could be way different than you, so they thought of that, and then they did include this to go onto their website and then scan your nails, and then based on the size of your fingernails they would send the gel stickers, which is amazing, genius. No one ever thought of it. Wow. That's pretty much it guys for today. Hopefully you had fun, and if you did, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and give this video a big thumbs up. Love you guys so much. Be good to each other. Stay safe. Bye.